What's up, guys? So big is and I'm here with P10 in the building. Amazing, he's an artist. Obviously, go and check it out. My reactions are data. My songs are you and subscribe to his channel. So I got P10 from Kumbira teaching reaction for my artist footy. Amazing. Zinoita footy guys. For my artist. So Michael Magz and Holy 10. Because you want to tear up to Michael Magz now.
Great artist.
Yeah. Because you know, you sound ya na Michael Magz. I hope you guys magat promise a feature, man. To that feature.
Yeah, man, now we are pushing.
Now kuchora man. To that inindu kumbira feature kwa.
Yeah.
P10 na Michael Magz.
Yeah.
I say. To that feature. Because on it. I'm name matoko now, man.
Those are there to engage.
Please. I know I can't wait for the track. Move mangu na video mama zvakataurwa guys mana ya feature na Michael Magz. But yeah, so let's get straight into the song and yeah, that's it. And please like, share, subscribe to his channel and follow him on all digital platforms. So yeah, let's get into the reaction.
Hey, look, if I hit you up, it's either there's a business or a cash. If I bring you up a conversation, then who my gets? Cause normally I don't hang around my gang, I seen a starch. Normally I don't hang around my babe, I seen a nyash.
My baby, Vasina nyash.
Normally I don't hang around my baby, Vasina nyash.
You know Michael Magz. I
think Michael Magz
he's versatile, right?
He's a very good writer.
Yeah, he's very into Arikuma sounds easy. Kuripa, ni R&B, chichiche. He was Arutoda.
And the power, it's power. Was the energy in song guy?
Hey, man. Apo, you know what? Yeah. Energy. Man.
It's big energy.
I use a big energy. I don't DP that's okay. Sadaro.
So cash. If I bring you up a conversation, then who my gets? Cause normally I don't hang around my gang, I seen a starch. Normally I don't hang around my babe, I seen a nyash. Naganda new post per gram, Natanga full force my gang. I don't get too close, you burn out per piece. Heathrow, I just landed. Man, them waiting patiently. They pick me up near Bentley. Kona Albion, Chinoi, Quiram Shika, Shika Ghetto, did my champions. Once I Shika, they just settle. I ain't finna stop till my real ones resettle. I ain't finna stop, that's on God. I swear that's on God.
The flow is in that. The flow up. Choose of words I guess on point, bro.
I wonder who's there. Which one will feature?
Yeah, definitely.
Why is it? Aiwa, kumana kuimba musi. Chandufara ndechoti you know kudhara people vangasinganyatsotevera music yemuzimu zvakudaro vangoteera out there, but I like the way people are supporting their people. Same country. So obvious people supporting on
very different
kana
ma streams akuti kone ma artists mnoma akwaso outside the country. It's a good thing for exporting our music.
Exactly. Support at least my international artists. More collab, then you know the vibes. Where is it?
Collaborate on my numbers where you come from.
Exactly.
It won't be.
Where is it? So do you have any? Obviously, you have a feature with the are international.
International.
Do you have one?
Yeah.
Cannot work to one.
Yeah, I'm a one. Okay. Considering my genres are sometimes I feel like this song I would have put this artist. Yeah.
Okay, but if you don't know your song about uyu kana anogona kupinda motombozviita
kuti let's say wakudonyora second verse, then you'd be like but this guy could do.
Okay.
Anofanira kufambira nyaya dzacho kuti auye, but then
Okay. So that's nice. Man, inini ndangotazopiwa chipo chekuimba but
you wanted to be a singer, bro.
I was muri wahombe was creative yenyu. Yeah, really crazy. My one. So let's go.
Watch your attention down, pin I'm cutting, I pin I'm cut. Watch your attention down, kuzita muzia game, aba mngori machacha. Support time my youths, tengera el video data.
Okay, this was violent. Yeah. This was violent.
Oh, no paraga vapai.
I'm
thinking
but TikTok.
Every video knows that I'm talking some comments.
Yeah.
Do basara kiri unyora comments.
And support time my youths, tengera data.
Violence.
Cutting up in them cut, watch your nets and down. Kuzita muzia game, aba mngori machacha. Support time my youths, tengera el video data. Man.
Shit, this is crazy.
Yeah. This part carried the song.
This part carried the song. Yeah. Shit. Alright, bro. It's okay.
Kuzita muzia game, aba mngori machacha. Support time my youths, tengera el video data. Man. Support time my youths, tengera el video data.
Hey, listen.
Aramba jingo prata.
I know he's mega.
Aramba jingo
prata. Ndimtengere data aramba jingo yuta yangu. Hapana wanofurika. They are very creative. Ngira panjira aridzosereke. Rinonetsa.
Avayoga nongosangana chipo chekuimba chako ngotara comment section. Nongoiswa kamufisi nakumani.
Panet, mboveka imasket. Tibe space, mbodi my message. Kosongone gossip as mix eba best. Maida unyebezera ungaiskisera range. Yakazori yade vakati mapombi. Yeah, benziri pa side pakati makoti. Yeah.
Yeah, she never level flex or
side. Akoti. But the way I kusembisa is like love thing and marriage and we the way he's supporting.
It's positive energy, motivation for the youth.
What is it? Motivation for the youth? Somebody found to it pin home love. So you said then you get married to the bride.
Tie the knot.
What is it? Yeah. Aruflex.
Yes, vakafara makadzi matsotsi. Miss mamadhara apachina mhodzi. Musatsotse vamusingazivi. Aiwa musapost kana musina mbiri.
Famba toni.
Ngaiskisera range yakazori yade vakati mapombi. Yeah, benziri pa side pakati makoti. Yeah, vesi vakafara makadzi matsotsi. Miss mamadhara apachina mhodzi. Musatsotse vamusingazivi. Aiwa musapost kana musina mbiri.
The way I have one, but anyways, I think I story. I don't know if you are now command to go tell my bars, man. Okay, it's okay.
Bigger the peace, so and dinner time you could partake javit. Kwangu kumarain to kangazi.
Vira.
Ngazi. Aiwa musa post kana musina mbiri. Ndakapira the peace, so and dinner time you could partake javit.
And then it's okay. That's not tipisa.
It's okay.
I would tipisa kwa, but I don't care about it's okay.
Only any energy. Abanufura.
Arikutoda. No, this is great. Adi.
Kumarain to kapero nini cheese. Yeah.
cheese. Ghetto baba. Yeah. It's okay.
Ambiri, ndakapikira zvepeace so handina time yekupa tiki javejiti kwangu kumaraini todya beroni necheese ndane air force pastep ndane fashion pagate vana vadiki screaming abindada airport pacrash maimwa stretons muchechi maimwa stretons muchechi
Maimwa stretons muchechi
It's a very good song.
Alright, it's okay. What do you think as an artist? Wow, how's the song like? Obvious. For me, it's good. Because the Trapamakafella, we up later, we rap yaki, then we only 10. That's a top collab.
It's a top collab. Yeah, I think about the track, I think it's a very good song.
It's a very good song.
I think
energy song.
The lyrics, they're creative. They might be attacking some people. They might be doing whatever, but then the energy.
The energy.
They don't like it to tell you right.
Why is
whole concept?
The hype. Why is there the
whole concept of it? Yes, take it every time.
Anyways, that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it and subscribe. Please comment down below and subscribe to his channel. Follow him.
P10.
Why is it P10? So yes, let's go.